the spiciest. No.
There you go.
No. No. It's been an hour and a half.
In an hour and a half. All you gotta do is take a big gulp of water, fill your mouth right full, and then try to swallow a big gulp.
Okay.
Big mouthful. That's everything?
How long before the show?
A few hours, you're fine. You can try drinking it upside down. That's what it says.
Okay.
Yeah,
Like,
you go upside down, I'll feed you the water.
I don't think I can do this.
Yeah.
This isn't gonna work.
Fine.
Okay.
You're gonna kick me in the head. You take the water, and then...
For real?
A different way to do it. Lean forward, not stand upside down. You need to lean forward, and then take a sip of the water while you're leaning right over forward from the other side of the glass. Lean forward and take a...
What else do we got?
Stick your tongue out. Stick your tongue out as far as you can. Farther than that.
You're just trying to make me look stupid.
No, it says right here. It actually says you pull on your tongue. Pulling on your tongue stimulates the nerves and muscles in your throat.
Okay, you pull on my tongue.
A teaspoon of sugar.
There, let's do that one.
A teaspoon of sugar, okay.
Okay.
It says eat a teaspoon of sugar.
Okay.
Just sugar. Let it melt in your mouth.
I inhaled sugar when I hiccup. For real, there's gotta be something else. I'm taking a second, okay? I'm good. What the hell?
Did it work? Did it work? Did that do it? All you gotta do is breathe into a paper bag. That's what it says online. If that doesn't work, there's like 20 or 30 other options here we can try.
I don't think this is gonna work.
You stand up and then lean forward a little bit and then see if that works. You can't do a show if you got hiccups.
I know, I understand that. We're at 2.5 hours and we have a show in like an hour, Ryan.
There's like 100 ways to do this.
And we've tried like 98 of them.
You haven't tried 98 ways?
I'm glad you guys are finding this so amusing.
We have a show soon.
I know, I understand that. I found something about vinegar. Vinegar is supposed to work. Vinegar. Let's try it, please.
Try it. Did that work? A little bit of vinegar is what you need. So try that. Okay, it says put a couple drops on your tongue and then let it dissolve. That's what you're supposed to.
I did the entire like shot you get.
Maybe that'll work better then. Yeah, right. So you're not hiccuping. Yeah.